today we're making coffee cake muffins. We're going to start by making some DIY parchment paper liners. Super easy. Cut some squares and grab a cup that fits inside your muffin tin pretty well and use that to help mold your parchment paper into a muffin liner. Scrunch your paper around the cup and make sure the top part is flat. And you're done! Comment if you want a full tutorial on this. In your bowl, add a little less than 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half tablespoon of coffee powder. My coffee powder already has sugar in it, but you can use any instant coffee that dissolves in water. Next, we're going to make some buttermilk. Combine 1 cup of milk and a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well. And then we're going to set that aside. Now we're going to measure out a little less than half cup of sugar and combine it with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I like using both sugars because I really like the flavor they both have. And next we're going to add 3 tablespoons melted butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix that well together. Now we're going to add in 1 egg at a time and mix. Add in your other egg and continue mixing. If you add in too much liquid at once, your mixture will separate and look icky. Gradually pour in your buttermilk. The mixture will become pretty runny. Add in your vanilla extract. And now you're going to pour your liquid in 3 batches. It's less messy and you can decide whether or not you need more liquid or not. I ended up using all of the liquid ingredients, but if yours is too dry, you can add a splash of milk or leave some of the wet ingredients out. It should be this consistency. Next, in your muffin liners, pour halfway up the muffin tin. And now we're going to move on to making a special little powder. Combine 3 tablespoons of coffee powder and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix that well together. And now sprinkle some of that powder onto our batter and then pour more batter on top of that. Next, I pre-made some streusel or crumb topping and the recipe can be found on my website. Add the same coffee cinnamon powder and mix together well. Our first muffin variation includes this crumb topping. Our second is using chopsticks to swirl the cinnamon around, and then our third variation is adding, of course, chocolate chunks. You can get really creative. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes and then lower to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Let cool and then cut right into it and take a nice munch when it's still warm. Please try this amazing recipe out. Subscribe for more videos and don't forget to like and comment down below. Bye!